Hello, welcome along again. We're going to installing these shark fin grills onto the customer's 1800 here. So they're easy enough to fit, peel and stick. So let's go along and we'll install them. So in the box we have our grills. A couple of sticky tabs. And second grill. That's everything. So follow me over to bike now and we'll stick them on. What we're going to do now is install the shark fins. Now, I use these cable ties. They're not included in the box, but it'll help you to get them in that bit better and hold them in there while the glue is setting. Now we've got 2 strips of sticky pad. Now what I would do is, now scissors will be handier, but I don't have one here. So if you cut off little strips of it and put them at different points. Whereas if you use the whole strip in the middle, well, in the middle will stick, but you could have the 2 sides of it not sticking properly. Let me get this one in half. Let me put that into the middle, top and bottom. Now we've one more piece, might as well use it. The downside of cutting up all the little pieces is you've got so many pieces to strip off. Make sure we get the right way around. One cable tie at the top, one at the bottom, or the end, whichever way you want to look at it, and one in the middle. Why the cable ties are handy is because with the sticky pads, you have to kind of force them in a small bit. So this enables us to get in. And do nice and tight. Just make sure you don't damage the fins where the cable tie is going. Make sure they're good strong cable ties. And we leave that sit now for a few minutes, and then we'll cut them off and Bob's your uncle. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Join us on our YouTube channel, Shinywing European Goldwing Specialists. So we just cut off table ties. Be careful not to damage the grill. And there you are. All ready for road. Okay, that's them installed, and as I said previously, it brightens up the grill area of the bike quite nicely. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and it's goodbye from Paul.